Alright everybody, today, or right now, we're going to learn about how to find and use images following copyright law, and images that you can actually use on a project or anything that you are doing. So there are many ways to do this. Usually just Googling a word and just copy and pasting the first picture that you find is not the way to do that correctly. So I'm going to show you one way. Of course, there are other ways, but this is just one of the easiest ways that I personally think is one of the easiest ways. So I just want to show you how to do it. So what you need to do is go to this website right here, creativecommons.org. Okay. Once you're there, you're going to click this button right here that says Search the Commons. Alright. So say I want to find a picture of Saturn. I will type Saturn. And I need to make sure that I've clicked Use for Commercial Purposes, and then I can click Modify, Adapt, or Build Upon. So this just makes sure that I am fully covered by copyright law in whatever way I use this image, either now or in the future. Okay, so I can even edit the image if I need to, and I am not messing with anyone's rights. And then once I've done that, look, you have so many different ways that you can search, okay, for an image. I'm just going to click on Flickr here and see what it pops up. And here's all the different images from Saturn that I find on Flickr. Okay. So again, lots of different options. Okay, you don't have to use Flickr. There's different options over there. But what you would do, say you find a picture that you like. Let's just pick this one here. Okay, and then you copy and paste it, save it to your drive, or however you want to do it. And then how do you cite it? Okay, so what you would have to do, because you said that you clicked on Use for Commercial Purposes and that you can modify, build, etc. All that you need to say is that you found this picture from Flickr, and you need to put the username here by so-and-so, in this case Steve Tallis. Okay, so on this project here, description that I made, that's exactly what I did. I just went to creativecommons.com, I clicked on Flickr, and I picked a couple pictures. And then all I had to do to cite that correctly was say from Flickr by, and then the person's username. And then later on in the project, I did the same exact thing here again. Okay, here's a picture of the Mars rover from Flickr by Oregon State University. So that is an easy way to use images on any project following copyright law. And that's pretty easy. That took 3 minutes. I know you can do it. Now go do it.